Hey everyone, it's a really fast video showing you how to download Unity Hub and install the correct version of Unity that you want to install for whatever situation that you're finding yourself in, either a class or a boot camp or anything that you find yourself wanting to use Unity for. Fastest way to do that, open up Google and just type in Unity Hub download. It's surprisingly difficult actually to find this website. So that's actually the easiest way to do it instead of going to Unity's website and trying to find the right spot. And then there's a download Unity thing here. And it also says Unity for all download today. You want to use this one down here. This will take you actually to a place where they try to upsell you on the Pro model. You don't want that. But you want this one, download Unity. And it's going to take you to this little website here. Okay, so you can choose your Unity version and download it. And what that means is if we open that in another tab, just to show you, it's going to lead you through here and it's going to try to push you through this system of paying for stuff, right? And they're going to say, you want to buy Pro. You don't. What you want to do is download Unity Hub. And that's going to open up an install or download an install that you can open up. And what you'll end up with is this application. I'm opening it up here for you to see. Yours obviously will look different when you download it. If you never downloaded it before, they're going to ask you to log in. You just need to create an account, which is actually what they were trying to get you to do here. And what you want to do is actually make a personal account for almost anyone that's going to be viewing this video. There's some advantages to this, but really you want a personal one in case you want to go on and distribute, license your stuff at some point. So you download that, you get Unity Hub, and this is where it just gets a little bit tricky. Yours will look a lot different. You won't have anything. Once you log in, sign in with your Unity account, it'll just be blank here and you'll have these options on the side. You want to actually click on installs here. And then again, as I said, you won't have anything here. And then you want to go over and click install editor. If you go here and you click on official releases and pre-releases and stuff, you're probably not going to see anything yet. And then if you go on install editor, this is where it gets tricky. You're going to see their suggestions as to what you want. And for my class, if you're viewing this for the fall 2022, you're going to want to get 2022.1.14. It's this one. And you want to install that. For that class too, I'm just going to show you this. I'm not actually going to install it here. If you're in the 460 course, what you need to install is click that, and then you want to click Android build support and these things right here. If you want to perhaps build something for an iPhone, if you own your iPhone, you can click iOS build support. If you don't have an iPhone, just ignore that. If you have a Mac, if you're working at home on your device and it's a Mac, it's useful maybe to have Mac build support. If you don't have a Mac, you don't need that. And then you definitely want Windows build support, regardless of whether or not you're on a Mac or a PC. That's really only because we may do a build at some point where you want to share it with me. That's actually an x86 build, and we can use it in class. Also, if you make a VR app that's not just for Quest 2, you want to tether it and stick it in a computer. That's what your build would be. So if you're in the class and you're installing this at home, that's what you want to click, those three things, and then at least that, and then you hit continue. It's going to ask you then if you want to install Visual Studio. You can if you don't have that. If you already have an IDE, then you can skip it and use that. Okay, that's the step, right? If you want to find a different version of Unity, this is actually also really important. Say you go on GitHub and you find some project that someone made that you want to check out, right? And it says it's only compatible with Unity 2019.2 or something, right? Well, if you go to install editor, that might not show up here. In fact, it doesn't, right? It says install 2019.4, right? You have to click on archive, and it's going to bring you to this thing, and it says can't find the version you're looking for, visit our download archive. And you can do that, and you're going to get access to every single incremental Unity update from the beginning of time, basically. So what you want to do then is find your version. So say, like my hypothetical, it's 2019.2. You would click on this, and we scroll all the way down, and you could find the version that you want, right, when it came out. So 2019.2.12, say that was the version. And you say that came out on the 11th of November in 2019, and then you click the Download Hub button. Again, you can download these independently from Unity Hub, and it works just fine. Hub is nice. You can associate all of your different installs in one spot. And then if you end up using cloud-based backup, it's all in one spot. But say if you don't want to do that, that's totally fine. You just click on this and you can download what you need. Okay. That should be it. Like I said, the important things are that you make sure that you are installing the right version for the app that you need. So for this class, for 460, if you're viewing this video for that class, it's 2022.1. Like 13 or 14F, if that's available for you. And then if you're going out and you're trying to find another custom app that someone else built, and you need to find the right version, make sure you use the right version, because if you know what you're doing and you get like savvy with it and you're comfortable using Unity after a while, you can kind of bounce around. So you can make a 2019.2 work in the 2019.3. That I don't recommend it though, until you know you feel comfortable with it, because you're going to run into lots of problems, especially when you start mixing in things like VR and Oculus and all the different just sort of issues that will come up with updating the Oculus integration in different versions of Unity. It's a bunch of overlapping Venn diagrams, and you have to find the certain slices where things work correctly. I think that's it. Let me know if you have any questions. I'm happy to help if you need any assistance. And yeah, I hope all's well. Have a good day.